theoretically. Oh my god. I can't handle myself acting like this anymore. Did I really spell life? Did I really spell life L-Y-F-E? What kind of crap was I on when I was making these scripts? You know, if I could find my past self, I would just yeet her by punching her face in the face. Alright. Alright, you ready? Do I look swag?
Oh yeah.
Super swag? I don't have a pocket, so I'm gonna need to yeet that out of here. Might as well give myself a bath too, right? I guess I should change my cleaning device. Obviously, you can't hit. Why did I go British? You know, unless you got a family like mine. Why did I go Texan? You want a cake for breakfast? Yeah. Clean, 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 cleanliness. Clean, clean, cleanliness. Why do I keep saying I love? I don't love. Clean, 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 cleanliness. Oh, that voice crack. So theoretic. Dinner is served. That was so much better than I expected. Although I don't really mind dreadlocks. Try that again. So many times.
We can do it again.
I don't want to do it again, but okay. Okay. You could live there rent-free. That's letters. You could typically live there rent-free. What's up, MTV crib? Welcome to my parents' house. Let's go inside, shall we? Oh, I completely missed the door. I went. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, that was really sad. All right.
I'm kind of dark, my dude.
Oh, do we need a flash? I want to look pretty. Light on me. It's pretty great.
It's okay.
Leads into these awkward, you know, underwear handoffs and let's not relive those movements. Wrong one. Voila! Ow! Yeah? Does that take better?
Yeah. Oh.
Sad.
Dude, you suck.
I can only be cool for so long, guys. Then my dweeb comes out. So genuinely. That's a weird word. Let's use a different word. I don't know.
Is that all you got? Your hair looks great.
And in the Houston, Texas, baby. Houston, Texas, baby. Or some. Hardy har har. You know, living with your parents, they tend to try and force some form of healthy habit on you, whether it be before you do something like that. Lecture, 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 anger, anger, anger. That's all I got. I'm not a mom, so I don't know. And they have to tell. Wait, what? So now I just gotta do the voiceover of that and do the masking part. Huh?
So wow, you look more dead inside than you ever have.
Oh good, that was the plan. Does that mean my acting is top notch? Well, alright then, psychos, that. Why do I always try to do a cliche ending? That's not who I am. Don't know, what? Hey, yo, Big Papa! I actually do want to use that just because it makes me laugh. Maybe it'll make other people laugh.
Yes.
We are. Every time that stupid light is gonna blind me. That. No, stay out of my face.
The light gets you every time.